Project management information system is the coherent organization of information required for an organization to execute projects successfully. A PMIS is typically one or more software applications and a methodical process for collecting and using project information. These electronic systems helps to plan, execute, and close project management goals. PMIS systems differ in scope, design, feature depending upon the organization's operational requirement. The PMIS is a part of environmental factors, providing access to tools such as scheduling tools, work organization, work authorization system, configuration management system, information collection and distribution system, or interface to the other online automated systems. Project management information system softwares at the center of any organization can vary from something as simple as a file system containing Microsoft Excel documents to a full-blown entire PMIS software. The methodological process used to collect and organize project information can match normalized methodologies such as PRINCE, PMIS softwares, software all along project management areas such as integration management, project scope management, project time management, project cost management, project quality management, human resource management, communication management, risk management, procurement, and stakeholders management. Project There is a very deep relationship between PMS and PMIS, Project Management System (PMS) and Project Management Information System (PMIS). A PMS could be a part of PMIS or something as external tool beside Project Management Information System. PMS is basically an aggregation of the processes, tools, technologies, methodologies, resources, and procedures to manage a project. What a PMS does is to manage all stakeholders in a project, such as project owner, client, contractors, subcontractors, in-house staff, workers, managers, etc. The multiple functions of PMIS is are can be enumerated as a project. PMIS is one or more software tools used to project information storage and distribution. Many types of PMIs are equally diverse way of applying these types of systems to optimal benefits of the organization. The PMIs performs the work of scheduling, estimating, resource identification, project documentation, protocols and dashboards, collaborative work management tools, social media management, project control, and scheduling. Various softwares are in use in the market, like Microsoft Project, Howard Total Project Manager, Project Planner, Prism, Yojana, Instaplan, QuickNet, PC Projects, Proman, Project Scheduler. Because schedules are such a core component of project management as a whole, almost all project PMIs contains scheduling tools. In project management, development of a project schedule contains 5 steps. The steps are enumerated as divide the project into tasks. All the project management functions are based on division of project into constituent tasks. The duration of each task must be estimated to determine the realistic project schedule. Determination of task dependency and interdependence. Developing the network diagram and Gantt chart. Once these things are over, then resource labeling is required. A network diagram Gantt chart can do not take into account the resource usage. It is the last step. Resources are assigned to each task and schedules adjusted to calculate the availability of the cost of resources. Project estimating involves assign a price to each of the project tasks. Each task is then rolled up into overall project estimates. In a perfect world, the actual project cost will always fall within the estimates. A good PMIS will track the estimated cost of each task as well as the justification for the estimates. Almost all tasks require resources for their completion. Simplest tasks often have only project team members for the specified period of time, but there is still a resource that needs to be available and managed in order to complete the task. Most sophisticated project management information systems can utilize components such as resource calendars, which specify when resources are available, resource breakout structures that specify the hierarchical matrix of resources, which can be chosen from the coordinated and from other projects. Thank you.